National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Grenville County in northeast Illinois, southern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, Livingston County in central Illinois, until 1:45 a.m. At 12:29 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from McNabb to Varna to Metamora to Peoria and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Tonic around 12:40 a.m., Streator around 1 a.m., Flanagan around 1:05 a.m., Pontiac around 1:20 a.m., Odell around 1:25 a.m., Fairbury around 1:30 a.m., Forest around 1:40 a.m.,